We found a hidden door in the house that we think leads to a basement. This is some horror movie shit. Supposedly the owner of the house before boarded it out. All the years of horror movie experience I've ever watched is telling me not to do this. Especially with how many screws there are. You better stop. My aunt's in the background. No.
Hey babe, did you see that hand?
Yeah.
No.
Hey Jess, if you look up there, there's a shadow up there too. Next thing you know, a little hand starts crawling out. Nene, are you done, honey?
No.
Oh.
I ain't going down there. Hell no. You can't pay me enough.
Not even $2,000?
I might. All the spiders.
Ugh. Spider web right there too.
Ugh.
Yeah, if he wants me to go down
This
there.
thing's been closed down
gonna-
for so long.
Hey, storage department.
Maybe I'll make a video of everything down there.
See, this is the difference between white people and black people. Black people, we probably would have removed the wall. Like, hey, what's going on with this? We would have seen a door, and then we would have seen it was screwed into the wall. We would be like, oh yeah, nah, we good. If we didn't leave, we definitely wasn't unscrewing it from the door, unscrewing it from the wall. I'll tell you that. We would put the wall back up and act like we didn't see that shit. But y'all took 45 minutes to unscrew the door, and then the lady that's recording, at the end, she got the nerve to say, oh, I'm not going down there. What the fuck did you, like, come on, you let him unscrew this bitch and recorded it for 45 minutes, and then you talking about you not going down there. Yes, you is. Stop capping. Stop it. Because it's like, why you do all that? And then it's like, what did you expect it to look like down there? You thought it was going to look like you thought it was going to look like a club down there, bitch? You thought it was going to be well furnished? Come on now. Stop it.